Oh, put the snow machine there so it blocks the wind, makes it a little bit warmer, and if he gets tired, he has a seat. You get one? Good job.
Cool. It's very cool.
There we go. There you go. Oh, yes. There you go. Oh, I think that's the longest one of the day, Nathan.
Yes, I got the biggest one.
Oh, that's another good size one.
Now we just need to.
Yeah, oh, yeah, they're a little something different. But they're also good bait. All right.
This'll work.
All right, cover the hole up with snow, and hopefully tomorrow, if we want to do more fishing, we can pop it out with the axe. It's end of March right now, so the sun doesn't set till 9:40 p.m. It's already past 8 o'clock. Ready for some pizza?